In this LinkedIn AI Profits review, I'm going to be showing you a system that's allowing its creator to make $995 payments over and over again. From what I've seen, she's making like $18,000 or more per month doing this, and she's outsourcing all the work. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out LinkedIn AI Profits, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says here, this new LinkedIn exploit is as easy as it gets. At first I thought it was too simple to work, but boy, was I ever wrong. Gloria's new LinkedIn exploit makes her $995 per client minimum, off-the-shelf, inexpensive AI software, does all the work. This is as easy as it gets, perfect for newbies and experienced marketers alike. And I'm going to show you a video about this in a second here, but this is from a woman named Gloria Gunn. She does this all the time. She's been doing LinkedIn marketing for a long time now, over $18,000 per month. Average minimum is $995. Average is about $2,000 per client. Gloria's payments for her LinkedIn marketing services over 2 months average is $17,000 per month doing this. And essentially, what is she doing? She's helping people to optimize their LinkedIn profiles and making sure that they are actually standing out here. And that's a service that she's providing, and she's getting paid big time for it. She uses proven targeting methods right on LinkedIn and targets the right potential clients. She uses a new LinkedIn exploit and she reaches out to these potential clients in a way they can't ignore. And she uses an easy to use off-the-shelf AI to do virtually all the work for her. So she's not spending hours and hours actually doing the work that's getting her paid for this. So that's what this is. It's a system. It's worked for her. It's making her money with this. And if you're interested in picking this up and learning about it, you can learn this entire system in this course. Now, what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Totally excited about you looking at this. I've got my wonderful friend Gloria Gunn on. Gloria, tell everybody hello.
Hi, everybody.
Man, oh man, Gloria, you've been killing it lately. And we want to make this short and sweet because, you know, these people are on a sales letter. They want to know what this is about. It's totally cool. But you make a ton of money, folks. You can see real screenshots below. You make a ton of money just doing one simple thing on LinkedIn. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, it's the whole profile thing, right? I mean, it's really, really critical on LinkedIn, and you have to set yourself apart and really differentiate yourself. And so that's really what I do is I just rewrite profiles and make people stand out. And I don't do the work. I actually, and I have a little friend that does it for me, my little secret friend, which I'm sharing with everybody. But
right, your little secret artificially intelligent friend,
yes,
and we'll get to that in a minute. Well, while we're there, I mean, you're obviously a world-class marketing person, but you don't really have time to sit down and write all this stuff. You get inexpensive off the shelf. And by the way, folks, you never have to come out of pocket on this. You get paid long before you would use the software. We tell you all about it, but you get AI to write all this stuff. There's a ton of stuff on a person's profile to optimize whether they're looking for a job, whether they're using LinkedIn to get leads, whether they're just, just trying to find a joint venture partner, whatever. But you use AI to optimize that whole thing for your clients. Can you tell us a little bit about that, please?
Yeah, so there are a bunch of different sections. And what I've done is I have everything kind of templatized, right? And so I ask clients questions, and then I have a template, they answer the questions, and then I input their answers into the AI, and that gives me the stuff that I need for the AI to produce really good content. And then of course, you have to tweak it a little bit, but it's really like it cuts down on the time by probably, I don't know, 80–90%.
Yeah, you've done, just several months ago, you did some videos, for me. Lee, watch me write this whole thing with using AI. And I'm like, seriously? Right. I mean, it it was shockingly fast and
Yeah.
amazingly good. So getting clients, that's everyone's bugaboo. But you have, I think, before we started the video here, you had what you called your multi-channel. And I know you call it an exploit because it really is an exploit. Things have changed on LinkedIn in terms of messaging. Can you tell us a little bit about those?
Yeah, LinkedIn is, people are spamming a lot on LinkedIn and the messaging and stuff, right? And it's very, very hard to break through. And so what we found works really well is to go ahead and hit them up with their LinkedIn profile and then send them an email, basically.
Right.
And we've even done like copy and paste the same message that we sent them on LinkedIn to their email, and it works just fine. Like, hey, I just sent this to you in case you forgot, type of thing. And they're like, oh yeah, that.
Well, and I mean, you taught me about LinkedIn way back in the day. And I know that you've been constantly tweaking this. So you've got this down to a science.
Yeah.
Another thing that you're giving people besides, I mean, it's like you're giving them your entire business, what to sell, how to sell it. Gloria, you mentioned templates, you mentioned all this, you've got this phenomenal video course. I just told you I was giving this to my grown daughter. You got this phenomenal video course. You've got all the handouts, all the onboarding stuff that you use in your own business, folks.
Yeah.
You get all of that here today. And as if that's not enough, Gloria, you've got 1,000 leads for these people that they get automatically without paying you one more dime. Folks, these are virgin leads, and they're not just like junk from Gloria's business that she couldn't close or something. And so she's going to, pass them on to you. This is the real deal. 1,000 leads. Which if somebody actually follows your system and goes through it, they should be able to get a lot of business out of that using your exploit. And if that's not enough, guys, I mean, it's like we're just going totally overboard and totally crazy for a mere, and you'll see how little it is when you check out, but we have a little bump offer. And by little, I mean in price. It's not little in terms of value. It's little in terms of price. Because if you want for just literally, I know we've had a lot of inflation lately, but literally for less than I would spend for myself for a snack at McDonald's, right?
Right.
We're giving you 5,000 more virgin emails. So you would have 6,000. And if you follow Gloria's system, you can't help but have success with that. So Gloria.
Yeah.
I got so excited. I can't even, you know me, I get so excited about helping other people break through, right?
That's really the thing, right? Is this is everything that I literally use in my own business. I deliver to clients. I give you everything. I think it's really important that you have the real stuff so that you can build a real business, right? And that's really the bottom line. And it is important to give back. We've been blessed, so it's important.
Oh, tell me about it, folks. Gloria's giving you what is working today. At an insane price. Take her up on it. So thank you so much. Oh, before we go, everybody wants to know about OTOs. We don't have a ton, but we have a couple. I'm going to mention each one and then you tell us briefly about it. The first OTO. So this product is all about optimizing people's personal profiles.
Yeah.
OTO 1 is all about creating and optimizing business pages.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so company pages are kind of a big deal on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is trying to promote them. And so you want to have a company page as well as a profile. If you're, selling to a business, it's really a good idea for them to have a company page. And so I take you all through that. Whenever I do clients, I do their LinkedIn profile, I do their company page, I do it all. I don't say, okay, I'm just going to do one without the other. That's
right.
How important it is. And so that course teaches you how to literally do that using the AI. Very, very easy, really easy money. Really
well, that's the killer.
Money.
The AI is the killer thing, because before that, a person have to be a really experienced copywriter in order to do this. And, most people don't have years to spend to get to the level that you're at. So that's OTO 1, and OTO 1 really allows you to charge your clients. And folks, again, you look at a screenshot of real money. OTO 1 allows you to charge your clients 2, 3, 4 times what you charge $9.95 for that profile makeover, but you're charging 2, 3, 4 times that when you include the business pages.
Mhm.
And that takes us to OTO2, because OTO2 is, to my mind, really where it's at, because we're talking about recurring income. What do you do to take these clients that you've already made several $1,000s from and turn them into a recurring income money machine? How do you do that?
Yeah, so it's all about posting content on LinkedIn. And on LinkedIn, the content's a little bit different, right? You don't do the cute little puppy videos and kitty videos and stuff like that. It's business information. And so what we've done is we've created what we deliver to our clients. And this has been proven to, like, we would take some stats on before and after, and our clients would have go from like 1200% more views than they did with this type of content. Right. So it's really, really huge. And so on LinkedIn, you just don't like post an image or something like that. You have to do a little write-up about it too, right? And so we give you everything. We give you the image. You can edit the image if you want to, reuse them for clients. You can brand them, and then we give you the write-up. And then we even show you, if you want to do more write-ups, how to do different write-ups with the AI. So that's all included in there. It's a bunch of stuff, basically.
It's truly mind-boggling, because you're taking, it is cool to make a few $1,000s out of a client. It is cooler to get paid month after month after month for work that you really just set up one time. A couple of things on the social posting. You mentioned that social posting folks is posting graphic stuff to social media. Okay, in this case, we're talking about LinkedIn. You mentioned that that's a little different with LinkedIn than Facebook, because LinkedIn's all about business. Yeah. It's all about numbers. It's all about career. The stuff that you post for your clients is generic. In other words, it would work for any client, but it's very specific to what people are looking for, what grabs their attention on LinkedIn. So that's cool. Gloria, here's the final mind-boggling thing, is that OTO2, you're giving people 240 graphic memes plus the write-ups for their social posting. And folks, we've got this amazing bump offer, right? Which is less than, again, it's not that I eat all these snacks at McDonald's. I'm just using this to point out, right? But it's less than a snack, not a meal, but a snack would cost me at McDonald's. And with that, folks, you can get 120 more memes plus the write-up, all that stuff. That would give you 360 memes, images, LinkedIn specific stuff to post. Gloria, that would take you an entire year's worth of posting for your clients. Just follow Gloria's instructions, get this set up, let that thing crank out, and your clients just pay you month after month after month after month. Gloria, this is really cool. LinkedIn is the bomb. You are the LinkedIn expert. You taught me how to use LinkedIn. LinkedIn changed a lot of things for me. Nobody teaches LinkedIn like you do. Nobody's an expert like you are. You've run businesses that develop LinkedIn software, all kinds of cool stuff. Folks, you do what you want to. You'd be absolutely insane to not take this lady up on this stuff. It is world class.
We've literally over the years made easy over millions of dollars on LinkedIn.
Oh, I know. I know.
Multi-millions of dollars on LinkedIn.
You're not just some person sitting around scratching their head thinking of something to sell people, some info product. You are the real deal out of the real industry. And it's so beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing what actually works with these folks. I really appreciate your doing it.
Yeah, glad to.
Okay, so after you purchase, you'll have access to the backend area here where they have multiple videos showing you exactly how to do this whole process, how to set up your headline, how to use use WriteSonic to create headlines, an overview, how to use the AI to create an overview about section, featured modules, putting it all together, and how you can actually make money with this, all included inside of this with an action plan. So this is all included inside of the program. Now there are two different upgrades here. So there's the first one, it's an AI profits upgrade. It's complete training on how to set up and sell company pages to businesses. This is going to be anywhere from $57 to $77. And the OTO2 is complete training on how to turn your new LinkedIn business into a recurring income money machine. That's between $77 and $97. Those are completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about LinkedIn AI Profits and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, they showed these flashy income proofs here of like her making like $18,000, $17,000 a month. I want you to know that you're not gonna just like start off making that kind of money. That's not gonna happen. She's been doing this for years now. She has a system set up and she's been doing it and building up her clients. So just know that that's gonna happen like slowly, and you do need to build up a client base. It's not some magic push button. What do I like about this? That all being said, I think this is really cool. She's actually doing this method. This is something that's working for her. If it's working for her and she's making $18,000 a month, imagine if you were just making a fraction of that, even just a few $1,000s a month from this method. If that's something that's exciting for you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at LinkedIn AI Profits, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. It makes sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.